Okay, this is a universal dryer vent vacuum hose. So this is like one of those cleaning tools you didn't know you needed. It is lightweight, it is slim, and it is built to reach deeper than a normal brush ever could, okay? It is solid and sturdy. You can't pull it apart. It has a flexible connector, okay? I'm gonna use this in two situations and show you how to use it. And the hose is flat and bendable. So it's going to slide easily into the dryer vent and actually pull out that hidden lint. Sometimes it's really hard to get your vacuum hose in there, and this is a great add-on. Noticeable improvement in the dryer efficiency, and my clothes really did dry faster, and I got so much disgusting lint out of the dryer. Okay, so this is one of two ways you could do this. So this is the crevice tool, and sometimes this does not fit in the dryer and it's very difficult to use. So you just slip it in there and cover it with the little flap, okay? Make sure it's secure, make sure it's in there, and this will go into your vacuum, turn the vacuum on, and you are good to go. So then this fits in my Hoover, and then this goes to the vacuum, okay? Worked beautifully, beautifully. The other option is if you have a handheld vacuum, if you open it up, there is like a little lip in here. You're just going to fit it into the vacuum, pop that in, and then create a tight seal with the silicone over the base. Turn it on, clean your dryer beautifully. Cleanup is so easy. Just remove, wipe down. You could wash it with vinegar or a very light soap and air dry. Final verdict, so easy to use and genuinely improved getting the lint out of the lint trap. This video was sponsored.